Good morning, this is Deepak. How are you? So, I am in the Bahamas and I want to share with you my insights from You Are the Universe as usual. But before I thought, let me give you where I'm. So, this is where I am right now. And I am in a place called Paradise Island and it's overlooking the ocean. And here you can see it. That's the main building of Paradise Island, and it's really gorgeous here. So let me show you more of the view here. Can you see this huge complex of a resort here in Paradise Island? And as I'm looking at this, and I'm looking also and thinking things that I've been talking about, here are some of the insights I want to share with you. So right now, as I look across here, look across at the ocean, I can smell the ocean. I can feel the fragrance of the wind. I can actually even smell the salt in the air. I can feel the air on my skin, and I can basically get the beautiful colors, the ocean waves going up and down. And in the distance, I can see a ship. Way in the distance, I can see a ship. And all this is happening because there are action potentials, or you might say, small little bits of electricity coming through my senses and going into that, whether I am seeing the green palm trees or smelling the salt of the ocean or feeling the fragrance of the air or the beautiful sensation of breeze on my face and on my skin. All this is happening because photons are impinging on my retina, and then of course air is causing sensations to go to my brain, and chemicals in my nose and in my taste buds are reaching my brain, and somehow the brain is converting it into how the brain is converting this into this experience. How? Well, science doesn't have an answer. Science doesn't have an answer. This is called the hard problem of consciousness. So the real answer comes from years and years of meditation, and comes from the seers and sages, and that is, you're not your body, you're not your brain, you're not your mind, you are not actually anything of the sort. You are the consciousness that conceives, constructs, governs, and becomes the physical universe. That's an old saying. Consciousness conceives, governs, constructs, and becomes the physical universe. And of course, our body-mind is part of that experience. So, air molecules, and the wind, and the sky, and the fragrance of the ocean, and the trees, the color of the ocean, the clouds in the sky. This is all being conceived, governed, constructed, and coming into reality as a result of the excitations of consciousness itself. That consciousness vibrates, and as it vibrates, it creates qualities of itself, qualia, and these qualia are then experienced as sound, touch, sight, taste, fragrance, color, form, and everything that reality. This reality, of course, includes our own body mind, and the physical universe are simultaneous excitations of non-local consciousness. Non-local means that it is not in space-time. So in reality, we are non-local being, a local experience. This is the local experience I'm having right now. But this local experience goes along with what is the human body-mind that has now taken on the persona of Deepak Chopra. And these personas are, of course, taken on because of conditioning. The fragmented mind, the body-mind, develops from the conditioning that is cultural, that is religious, that is economic, that is historical, but it creates this experience that I'm having right now. This experience that I'm having right now is a result of me localizing the local mind, the non-local mind becoming the local mind. This is what it means to say we are non-local beings having a experience. Non-local beings having a local experience. Or as Teilhard de Chardin said, we are spiritual beings having a human experience. Hi Munira, how are you in Dubai? This is not Dubai. I saw you, I think, in Abu Dhabi and Dubai, but we are now in the Bahamas, and this is Paradise Island. So this is Joan Doyle says was in the Atlantis Palm 3 days ago. There you are, Joan Doyle. We are synchronistically having the same experience, and there's a reason you're here on this site as well. So what is consciousness? Going back to what I said, consciousness is that which conceives, constructs, governs, and becomes the physical universe. So when I say you are the universe, this is very literal. This is very literal. I'm not speaking metaphorically. You are not in the body is in you. You're not in the mind is in you. And you're not in the physical universe, the physical is in you. As all these beautiful tastes, textures, forms, colors, fragrances, and this wonderful breeze that I'm experiencing right now on my skin. And this is the real meaning of what we say, you are the universe. Lisa Holt, hello from Greece. Hi Lisa, hi to you in Greece. So this is another, by the way, proof that through this technology, we can all connect. So right now, this beautiful scene here that I'm seeing is due through photons or electromagnetic impulses that are traveling through space. They're hitting some satellite in outer space. And they're coming to local servers, and then those photons going in, and you're experiencing exactly what I'm. This is part of our interconnectedness. This is part of our interconnectedness. But our actual being is not in this domain of interconnectedness. Our actual being is inseparable. And our connection at the level of spirit is that non-local. As my friend Dr. Larry Dossey says, this non-local correlation is unmediated, it's unmitigated, and it's instantaneous, which means the robustness of the correlation does not diminish with distance in space or time. That's number one. Number two, there is no signal for this correlation. It's all synchronistic. And number three, It's instantaneous. So this is, at this level, we are inseparable. That's why this is also the experience of love. This is what it means. You are the universe. This is your cosmic self. I will actually sign off in a moment. Just on this subject very soon, which is you are the universe, discovering your cosmic self and why it matters. Okay, so now I'm going to say goodbye, and I will see you when I see you, but definitely over here. Okay, and have a wonderful day, and I love you, and I mean it. Bye bye.